In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the temperature switch in your dryer. So to diagnose your temperature switch, I've put the knob back on. You're also going to need a multimeter that you can set on a continuity setting, and you're going to want to have your wiring diagram so you know which contacts you need to check to know whether you have a circuit based on the temperature selection that the knob can make. So with your multimeter available, set on a continuity setting that has an audible sound so that when you make a completed circuit with your meter, in this case just by touching the probes together, you should hear sound. So that's when you'll know that you have a completed circuit and that the contacts would be closed in the switch. And you'll put one probe on the contact you want to test, and you'll put a probe on the other contact you'll want to test. Put the switch in the selection that you want, and you should get an audible sound as we are. If you're not getting that sound, then there's a problem with your switch and you'll want to replace it. If you are getting that signal, your switch is good. And that's how easy it is to diagnose the temperature switch in your dryer.